Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. After an introduction from the tutor, so now it's your time to introduce yourself. And for that matter, I have given the task in the Google Classroom that you have to look at that task. So you can see that you are required to follow the link given at the bottom, and you have to provide this information while introducing yourself. So when you will open this link, ultimately class introduction Padlet based task will be opened. So here you have to introduce yourself. So this task is divided into two parts. Mind it that it is divided into two parts. The first one is that you have to introduce yourself, and the other one is that you have to comment on the introduction of your other class fellows. You have to give a constructive comment on the introduction of your other class fellows. So you have to do two things. First, introduce yourself, and the second, to comment on the introduction of your class fellows. So what you have to do, when you will be opening this Padlet, I would recommend you to open it through your Gmail account so that you could directly have an access to it, and your name would be available over there. If you don't open it, so then I would recommend you to write your name at the top so that I should know that who is writing this introduction, who is attempting this task. So you have to introduce yourself, and you have to write a paragraph and talk about all these questions over there. So your paragraph should not exceed the limit of 70 words. So how you have to write? Let's see. When you will open the Padlet, and when you will open it through this link, so it will this tab will be open there, and you have to put you have to press this bar and this place plus button, and you can write your own introduction. You can write your name here. For example, this is Ali, so you can write it here, Ali, and then you start introducing yourself, whatever you write, and then just leave it. So if I'm leaving it, so it will be uploaded. So this is just a task. So whatever you will do, this is you can say this is going to be a dashboard for class introduction, and you have to introduce yourself, and you have to comment on the introduction of your other fellows. So you have got 24 hours time. So your time count has started. You have to make sure that your introduction has been uploaded here till tomorrow, and you have commented on the introduction of your other class fellows here at this Padlet task. So that is a task that you're going to do, and then after that you have to submit it. Ultimately, I'll be looking at there that you have turned it your task, and I'll be easily watching at your progress. That's all about this task. I hope that you will enjoy talking about this task, working on this task. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.